Are you kidding me right now? Hi everyone, I am opening the most amazing box of clothes from MiniStitches. MiniStitches and I have participated in an art trade. She makes incredible doll clothes, and she also makes really awesome YouTube videos. If you're not already following her, you should go follow her channel. She's so funny and fun to watch, and she does all kinds of doll stuff. She does like clothing, she does BJD, she does like fashion dolls, she does she does it all. She's great. So in exchange for like a spot in Raven and Edgar's pre-order, in particular for a Raven doll, I went ahead and asked her if she would just surprise me with doll clothes. And I just said, I trust your judgment, value for value, like a one-to-one trade. And I am not about to tell any artist how much their stuff is worth. So I have no idea what's actually in here, which is so exciting to me. I did, however, send her a general mood board. This is welcome to general mood board. You can kind of see like the ideas and what I was going for. The way I was expecting a really small box and not this, because I don't know. I don't know what's in here. There's like some heft to it, but we're going to find out together. Now, I don't know if she individually wrapped everything. I think that would be a pretty wild thing to do. She did though, because oh my gosh, there's so much happening in here. Okay, there's a card though. We're gonna start with the card. I think I'm gonna have to put this beside me and pop things out to show you over here, because I think the box is just simply too big and I don't want to spoil things for myself because I love to be surprised. So we have a card. She says Rosie. Don't ruin the card. I love getting cards. I love getting even just postcards. I keep them all. I love them. I'm not sure how much we want read on camera, but basically, Rosie, thanks again for doing this with me. I hope you like what I made. Everything took so much longer than I thought. I am sending over 9 pieces, but I owe you a set of lingerie. I threw in some extras. They are Barbie sized. Oh, amazing, because they will probably fit my teeny tinies. The lingerie is Pasha sized. Since her measurements are close, I thought it might fit your slim mini body. Let me know if it does. That will help me out. You can pass on the Barbie dresses or use them for your full sets if they fit. Amanda from MiniStitches. P.S. Each of the little inspo tags had some info about the clothes I made. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And I also sent some fabric. I thought you might like that was extra left over from these projects. The way I will be sending fabric with your doll. I don't know if you might like things I don't necessarily use though, because anyways, I'm going to send you some fabric too. Because that's my favorite thing, is like when people who sew send each other fabric, because it's like, what did you do with that? Anyways, so we have some of the fabrics on top. I just want to check those out real quick. So, oh, okay. So we have this like brown, it's almost like a leather looking. If this isn't a pair of pants in there, she might become a pair of pants. I really like that, actually. That's super cool. All right, let's start. Look at, are you kidding me? That is not the cutest thing ever with the ribbons, which I will absolutely be keeping in reason. There's a picture. I can't with you, Amanda. You are wildin'. Like, look. She's got a picture of the another of my favorites. I used your artwork for the pattern. I think it's so cute. Anyways, this is the cutest thing ever. I'm just gonna open this. The little info cards are sending me. The way I want to put these all together in a little frame or something, like that's so cute. And then of course ribbon we are going to keep. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I wasn't sure what you meant, because in the picture I couldn't super tell what was going on. I think you used like, oh, I see. The info cards are not pictures of the pieces she made, which is very misleading because she like did a great job. It's like the inspo picture, but like she used like my actual artwork. That's crazy. Like some of my drawings. This might be my new favorite piece of doll clothing I own. Like I know we're very early into this video, but that's nuts, Amanda. That's wow. Wow. Okay, and then we have, it's got the what do you call this? Like patchwork sleeve, And then bunny ears, because I'm obsessed with hoodies with bunny ears. But she's like also pressed them so they like lay back, which is really nice. Okay, moving on to the next piece. Okay, so this is our inspo picture. I love this dress. I think I'll make myself one too. The hearts are pockets and a detachable collar you can pair with other things. Love that. I just really liked this dress, and I like this like little like clown core vibe it had going. Oh my gosh. Can we talk about like, here, let me show the collar. Like how pretty that is with the little like detailing around the edge. It's placed in such a good spot to like to tie it. You've ironed it. I do believe also Amanda made a video kind of showing some of her process, I think, making these things. I think we're supposed to try and coordinate those to go up together. So if that is available, maybe here's a thumbnail. But also it will be linked below, either like when it comes out, or I'll link it as soon as the video does come out. But like, that's amazing. And then the dress is like, it's a hefty, super oversized and cute on like Raven and Edgar, but also I think this would be so cute on Clover and Poppy. I just love it. I love it so much. So, I love this one. Okay, so here's the reference photo. So it's very like, I don't know what you would call this style. It's like probably some kind of Lolita. I'm sorry if that's wrong. I don't actually know. I just know I like it. This was the inspo, but I wanted to make it more scene emo vibes. Also, I really hope everyone appreciates that I've been trying. They're really ugly right now, but I've been trying to keep my nails a little painted or something, because every time I would edit video, especially last year, I was like, God, my nails are ugly. Or there's always like craft supplies under them because I've just finished, like I've been working in clay or sanding or something or whatever, and there's like dust. Do you know what I mean? And I was just like, I can't keep my fingernails spotless at all times, and like they always look gross, and I've been trying very hard to do that for everybody and for myself, so that I also don't have to watch my fingernails being very unaesthetic. And they are very unaesthetic right now because, but it's a step up. I think we can agree. I'm just like me shook every time I open a bag. But like a black chain. The pleats are gorgeous. And then there's like kind of this like top skirt, like it's like two different skirts put together into one skirt. And then the back has some snaps. This is sick. Like, I don't use that word. My kid's now using that word because I used it ironically one time. And now I hear her saying it all the time, and now it's joining my vocabulary. I'm going to do my best to make it not do that for everybody else, but like, that's amazing. Amazing. So that's 3 pieces. We have, oh my God, every time I see one of the inspo pics when I reach in, I get so excited. Again, I'm like, is it the shirt? Is it the skirt? I don't know. I think it's the shirt, judging by the weight. So we have the little, this was the inspo, but I couldn't find this exact fabric. Fair. It has all French seams, so it shouldn't fray or anything. I hope you love it. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, so this is double cute because, number one, I see what you mean about the seams. Also, I love how you've used this, like, it's red and teal to go with the fabric, like red and teal thread. And then the buttons also, like the snaps, they're stitched on with the teal thread, so it makes the buttons, like the snaps, almost look teal. So it does go, I believe the default, yeah, would be like this way. But you could absolutely wear it this way too and have like a button-up look. I would put this on Edgar, like with the button-up, like facing this way. This is so cool, and I can't wait to try this on somebody. This one is like an oversized flannel, and I loved this one because it's like, I hope it's the flannel before I should read, but it's giving more jacket than like dress shirt. This one was kind of boring. I wish I had done something else. Oh, okay, you need interesting piece, like you need staple pieces too. It's meant to be worn open like in the picture. All the buttons function. Okay. Boring, but like also fantastic. This is so cute. Like, yeah, no, it's like wide. The pocket is it's just gorgeous. Like, I'm really trying to like show the quality of the stitching. Like, if I wanted to button these up, I could. I will never do that, but everyone's getting redressed. This is wild. This is so cute. I just feel like this box keeps going. I have lost count of where we are now. Yeah, I'm sure. Okay, so this is the inspo. It's like techwear. Techwear is something I really, really like, and I would like to start wearing myself. It says this one was hard to fit, but I think I got it just right. Another one I love, Def gonna make one for me. That's, first of all, I love that because then we're twinning. It's so cool. Like, with the little adjustable, I want to see this on, like, right this minute. Everything's pressed nice and flat. We have snaps all the way up. Yeah, I'm super excited because I can tell this is going to be like really beautifully adjustable and everything. This is a great piece. Yeah, definitely make yourself one because 10 out of 10. Like, I think we have two more. We have this patchwork pair of pants. These were my favorite piece I made. I made all the patches and did all the embroidery by hand. I love them and I hope you like them too. I just saw just some of the embroidery on the bottom. Oh, these are awesome. Oh my gosh, we have like an unhinged patch, which is me and Pablo's podcast. And Amanda was a guest on our podcast and she will be again. We have this like cat and anarchy. This one says high strung. Oh my God, the little coffin. Functional pockets, of course. Oh. This is new. We have some beautiful pleating in the back. We snap up the back. These are so cool. I can't even pick favorites. I do think my first favorite is still that hoodie. But I love everything. I made a pair of patch jeans for a video a while back, but where I was making mini versions of my wardrobe. But I made mine out of felt and I fabric glued them on because embroidering them on is wild and amazing. I think there's more fabric in this box, and then there's like, I think this is probably the Barbie clothes, but this is the last like piece. This is the inspo. I love this dress. I love baby doll dresses. If I could wear a baby doll dress every day, I would, but I can never find them in a style I like, except for on Pinterest. This was such a fun idea to transfer to doll and scale. I had such fun figuring out which pieces of the hanky to use where. So it sounds like she used an actual handkerchief to do this. Oh my gosh, it's so fun. I love the like oversized. I like how like you've managed to make it like symmetrical almost, like even though it's like hanky, like we have like, it's like asymmetry, symmetry. I just want to put everything together and make outfits, and like, these are amazing. Thank you so much again, Amanda. This was such a fun trade. I love absolutely everything in this box. You knocked it out of the park. We will definitely, if you had fun with this, I would definitely do this again. This is so fun and so cool. But yeah, for everybody else, thanks for watching. Comment below, hype up Amanda, tell her how great she is. Go check out the MiniStitches channel. And yeah, for now, if you're already subscribed to my channel, thanks so much for subscribing. If you're new here and like the content, or you know, if you've been around a while and just haven't got around to subscribing, I mean, what time is better than right now? As always, I hope you have a fantastic day.